Hey everybody, Barry here again, and we're going to start diagnosing, I guess, the Cadillac today. I'm going to do a compression test on it and haul those valve covers off and see what's in there and go from there. I'm probably going to end up pulling the engine out anyway, and I got a 6-liter right here. It looks kind of rough right now because I just used it for the mock-up engine, but I might end up building that and putting it in this. So, got a couple days worth of filming to do. I should be done this by hopefully Monday. It's Tuesday right now, but it's my daughter's birthday today, so I'm not going to start at it till tomorrow. But yeah, stick around. The last two engines that I blew up broke pistons on number 5 and number 7. So these two back cylinders here. So I'm going to go ahead and attack number 7 first and number 5, see what we got. Yeah, we got issues. I almost closed the gap up on that one. Some deposits on there, looks like some detonation. Fun. I only had 11 degrees timing in this and 7 psi. No reason it should have blown up like it did. IAT's a little warmer than normal because I'm right in front of rad and this is not intercooled, so it's up at 120 degrees. But let's dig a little bit deeper. And again, gap is a hair from being closed off, and we got deposits up here too. So, messed up 2 plugs so far anyway. In order to do the compression test, we got to disable the fuel and ignition system so it doesn't try to burn the place down. So we're going to get rid of the fuel pump relay here. Then we just screw in the compression tester. All right, got that screwed in. Let's see if I unplugged the wrong fuses or not. Yep. I'm just gonna go ahead and unplug the injectors and the coils, and I got the fuel pump fuse pulled out. So let's just be a second and we'll get cranking. All right, let's see what we got. Moment of truth. We have, oh, it blew off. Oh, sweet. Let's try it again. Attempt number 2. What do we have? What do we have? Like 100 pounds. That's not very exciting. All right. This is cylinder number 5 test. And we have 90. Time to tear it out. Went ahead and put the plugs back in, wires back together. The injectors and coils plugged back in. Now, I just got to put the fuel pump relay back. And listen to it knock it way out of the garage until tomorrow I start tearing this bad boy down.